Hi everyone, my name is GISELA MARGARET OESWADI in grade 5 SD Sabri 1 Palembang in South Sumatera, Indonesia. My project is called New Waste Recycling Technology Factory. This factory is equipped with AI technology that can separate organic and non-organic waste automatically. After the organic and non-organic waste is separated and processed into small granules, organic waste will be processed into fertilizer, while non-organic waste will be processed with 3D printed technology into furniture and Lego blocks for building materials that are fast, vertical, and earthquake resistant.
I choose this project because I see that the waste that is processed in the factory is only burned, which can cause air pollution. In addition, the limited factory capacity causes waste to accumulate and can even be used as a garbage island. So I dream that the government can make it happen, so that the earth becomes more and can increase state finances and the result of managing and processing waste. The difficulty that I've got while making this project is in the waste sorting process section with AI technology. I originally wanted to make a game, but said there were too many bugs. So I finished it by just making an animation. If I have more times, I will try to make a game in the waste separation process using AI technology by making the game look like music tiles on Android. Thank you for seeing my project.